Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is a guide towards buying the best drone with 4K camera based on the image and video quality, range, hover stability, flight time, mounted gimbal, intelligence, and other users' recommendations. Let's take a closer look at each of these 5 best drones with 4K camera. This is Autel Robotics EVO II foldable 8K camera drone. The EVO II packs a punch with half-inch sensor that's capable of shooting 8K video and 48 megapixel stills. With an 8K camera payload, the EVO II can capture video at up to 7680 by 4320 resolution with 8000 by 6000 stills. This lets you make prints up to 100 inches wide, punch in, crop, and scale images with great detail, and capture stunning high-res screenshots from your footage. Grab incredible screenshots, punch in, scale, or display on massive monitors up close. This quadcopter comes standard with a 7100 mAh rechargeable battery, providing up to 40 minutes of flight time in forward motion, and 35 minutes at a hover. This 8K camera drone comes with 12 computer vision sensors, 2 sonar sensors, and 2 LED landing lights, working together to create an aircraft with the best obstacle avoidance. This function can help EVO II drone around the environment safely. This rugged drone allows video transmission and drone control from up to 9 kilometers away. A longer range also means a stronger signal, which also means the 2.4 GHz signal is strong enough to control the drone in crowded urban environments and thick forests. The Autel EVO II Rugged also comes as a bundle combo kit that includes additional accessories such as aircraft and gimbal holder, 2 extra batteries, 8 spare propellers, 2 SD cards with 32 and 64 GB storage, remote control and more. The smart controller features a built-in 3.3 inches OLED display, eliminating the need for a mobile device. With a 4-hour battery life and an ergonomic compact design, pilots can easily pack and fly on the go. You will be able to swap the camera in case it should ever break, which would be way more cost-efficient than having to replace the entire drone. Autel EVO II series drone is one aircraft with 3 camera options, and all cameras for this drone can be purchased separately and are interchangeable. This quadcopter comes with fixed f1.8 aperture that captures more light in low light conditions to produce images and videos with stunning details. Autel Robotics EVO II camera modules support a variety of shooting modes such as single shot, burst shooting, auto exposure bracketing, time-lapse, high dynamic range imaging. EVO II will return home automatically when low aircraft battery level and communication lost. Additionally, its bottom binocular vision camera creates a density depth map. Then, it calculates the depth map's flatness and angles to ensure an accurate and safe landing. EVO II has a lot to offer for its price. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is PARROT's Anafi flying 4K HDR camera drone that you can take with you everywhere on the go. It unfolds in less than 3 seconds and is made from a lightweight carbon frame. This ultra-compact drone has a 25-minute flight time and takes exceptional quality photos of 21 megapixels. Thanks to its USB-C charging system, you can charge your PARROT drone anytime, anywhere. Anafi comes complete with a foldable controller, PARROT SkyController 3, and its unique 180 degrees vertical tilt gimbal is ideal for low-angle shots. This unprecedented feature has never been seen in a leisure drone before. Anafi is the smallest and quietest consumer drone. With Anafi, make your ordinary extraordinary, and share it with family and friends. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Mavic 2 Pro Drone. The Mavic 2 Pro comes equipped with the all-new Hasselblad L1D20C camera. This camera possesses Hasselblad's unique Hasselblad Natural Color Solution technology, helping users to capture gorgeous 20-megapixel aerial shots in stunning color detail. Made in Sweden, Hasselblad cameras are renowned for their iconic ergonomic design, uncompromising image quality, and Swedish craftsmanship. Since 1941, Hasselblad cameras have captured some of the world's most iconic images, including the first moon landing. The brand new 1-inch CMOS sensor has an active sensing area 4 times more effective than the original Mavic Pro. The large sensor also means better performance in low-light environments with a more extensive ISO range, max ISO lifted from 3200 to 12800. The Mavic 2 Pro supports a 10-bit D-Log-M color profile that yields a higher dynamic range for more flexibility in the grading room. The system records over 1 billion colors, compared to the 16 million colors from traditional 8-bit color coding technologies, and retains more in-depth details in both highlights and shadows. You can capture the subtlest gradations at sunset or sunrise, leaving greater space for post-production. With 4K 10-bit HDR support, the Mavic 2 Pro can be plugged into a 4K TV with HLG, and will immediately play back footage with the right color tones. The f2.8 to f11 adjustable aperture delivers outstanding image quality both in high and low light environments. When shooting in low light, it is recommended to set the aperture to f2.8 to allow more light in, and to capture bright and clear photos. When shooting in well-lit environments, it is recommended to set the aperture to f11 to lower the shutter speed, and make your videos smoother. The Mavic 2 Pro remains DJI's most impressive consumer-level drone to date, and is still the best all-rounder option for most people. Its 20 megapixels 1-inch sensor is capable of shooting excellent raw stills, and 4K video, while a host of automated shooting and flight modes complement its highly portable form factor. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This Ruko F11 Pro Drone 4K quadcopter is foldable and compact, easy to take around the world in your pocket. Experience breathtaking 4K Ultra HD picture quality, and 2.9K video for stunning clarity, deep contrast, and vivid colors. The camera angle can be adjusted by remote controller, which allows you to shoot more angles of sight. At the same time, the camera's unique design prevents the blades from affecting the picture or video. Tap Yeah gesture to activate the gesture control function. When you face the camera, and make a Yeah gesture within a distance of 2 to 3 meters between you and the camera takes one photo, and when you make a palm gesture, the camera starts recording. The 3 speed modes with low, med, high make this suitable for beginners and experts. You could even try switching different speed modes when the drone is in flight for more fun with up to 43.2 kilometers per hour. In headless mode, the drone's direction will be orientated to the direction of the pilot. No worry of losing direction, because this function makes it perfect for kids and beginners. GPS hold and one key takeoff or landing. Once activated, the aircraft's height and location will be accurately locked by GPS, preventing the drone camera from shaking when filming, making it easier to operate it and focus on your aerial photography. Easy to control with one key start and landing, even for drone beginners. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is DJI's Mavic Air quadcopter with remote controller. In addition to horizontal, vertical, and 180 degrees panoramas, Mavic Air stitches 25 photos together in just 8 seconds to create crystal clear 32.0 megapixel sphere panoramas. Lightweight and compact foldable design, and you can take it anywhere with you. Supports 4K video at 30 fps, and the 12 megapixels camera with Adobe DNG RAW support is ready to shoot. The 3-axis gimbal is capable of stabilizing the camera even during high-speed motion for smooth video and sharp photos. Control your drone from up to around 6,560 feet away, and the Mavic Air Intelligent Flight lithium battery provides up to 21 minutes of flight time per charge. It features a foldable, low-profile, ergonomic design to hold your smartphone for maximum convenience. The detachable control sticks store inside the remote controller to pack more comfortably on the go. Set up tracking to shoot a friend, or head skywards for a quick flight using your smartphone instead of controller. Shoot an incredible scene, and edit it with just a few taps in the DJI Go editor, and share it instantly for everyone to see. Its 5 vision sensors, GPS and global navigation satellite system, a pair of ultrasonic range finders, redundant sensors, and a group of 24 powerful specialized computers make sure that your drone is flying safely. Fun, simple, and intuitive Smart Capture offers a new and interactive way of controlling the Mavic Air by hand. Launch and control the drone with hand gestures, then take photos or videos however you like. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.